pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hey guys, it's Karen. My gems, hi. I apologize for my looks, but instead of responding to each comment and to the Instagram messages that I got, which I did respond to a lot, but I'm not really sure if more are going to come in, I wanted to make a video. I recently uploaded the winner of the Blood Money palette. And I had seen some of you guys were concerned with, well, this person commented more than once, and I was like, okay, wait a minute. I know that I have very few requirements for when I do a giveaway, and I'm super generous. I love giving back to you guys. I'm doing the Jeffree Star palettes, full giveaways, you know, is definitely my thing because I'm so appreciative of all of you. But I went back and I was like, let me look to see if there was anything that I did wrong, you know. So I'm gonna play that clip for you of my requirements. Maybe some people didn't watch till the end, they just assumed it was a giveaway, they didn't hear it, or maybe you guys have forgotten. I'm gonna go ahead and play that now for you, and I'll be back. Summer Mystery Supreme box, and here are the rules. So you got to be 18 years or older or have a parent's permission. I don't care where you live, this does not matter. It's international for sure. I don't mind shipping at all. I would love it if you'd be subscribed and like this video and possibly share it out if you can. If you cannot do that, that is not a deal breaker for me. So just enter down below in the comments, enter me, whether it's all in one comment because you have something to say about the video, or if it's in a separate comment. You can comment as many times as you would like. And that's it. If you've got any questions, put that down in the description box in the comments, and I will do my very best to answer them. I just want to take the time to say thank you so much for joining. Okay guys, so you can see it was one of the videos where I said you can comment as many times as you like. So the winner of this video, congratulations by the way, you can message me on IG, get in touch with me, and I will get that prize out to you. But there was nothing done wrong here, and there was nothing in the comments below that video saying that they didn't like my rules or anything like that. So this is the first time that I'm hearing something like this. Maybe you guys didn't see it or we didn't remember. I mean, I know that sometimes I say you can comment as many times as you want. Sometimes I don't, you know, so I just wanted to make sure that everything was good and fair. And if you've got any questions, comments, or concerns, put that down below and I will definitely answer them for you. Just give me a couple days to catch up with everything, and I will see you guys real soon in another video. Bye!